What's up, guys? Just gonna do a little quick video changing out the rear door on my sister's car. I already got it on there already, but kind of just want to give you a little bit of information in case you have to replace your rear door. This one, same generation. You can see that's pretty banged up right there. Somebody sideswiped her, but I got the door on, which you want to remove the trim piece from here, just clips, and then there's a white thing cover over here. Unplug the harness to 12 millimeters, and the door check is a 10 millimeter, and that take the door off. But when I got the replacement door on there, the harness that comes out of here was smaller, and this has 7 wires in the plug. So the replacement door has 7 wires, smaller plug than that one right here. So you can replace them. It is pretty easy. Just gonna unclip the clips. You're gonna pull out the harness, push this back in there after you unplug it, and then there's a clip right here. Where's it at? This clip right here. There's a clip right there you're gonna push in, and a couple other clips. There's this clip on the inside, this clip right here. There's another one. No, I don't think there's one that, yeah, I think there's one that comes in here, but I don't know where it's at. I don't think this one, I think it was, oh no, wait, right here. So there's another one that goes in there right here. Let's get that in there. Right there. This clip. These are just push clips. Another one right there. Another one right here. And you'll just pull this out. Take this one out right here. And the one for the speaker. And you can plug and play. I checked it already. It has power to the window, power to the door lock, speaker works. So in case you're replacing the door and the plugs don't match up, just push those clips out and replace them, and just swap them back out. So I hope that helps. Last thing I got to do is this replacement door is missing the handle, so I'm going to take out the handles right now. I'm not going to do a video on that or show that, but there's a couple of Torx bits right here. Push this through, move it out the way, and then there's a couple of Torx bits in there that are holding the handle that come, I believe, right here. But yeah, I hope that helps if you're replacing the door and you have all the rest of the components in there like she did with the door. Just swap the harnesses and it works. I'm not sure what's the difference. They were both power door locks, both power windows. Different year. I guess they use different harness, but I'm not sure why one has one with 7 wires and the one that she had 9 wires, but it's doable. All right, guys.